Algebra 2, this is Chapter 7, Section 6. This is the rational zero theorem, and one example. There's be 3 videos in this series. So the rational zero theorem states that if you've got this big ugly polynomial here, and we look at our first coefficient and we look at our last coefficient here, and we call P our last coefficient, so that's P, and we call Q our first coefficient, that one over here, and we take all of the possible factors of P over Q. Those are the only possible things that will work for roots. So if I look at this example here, again, P is this last number, this 12 is our P, and this first coefficient is our Q, and we make a fraction out of that, so that is 12 over 2. We find all the possible factors of 12 over 2. Well, 12 over 2 itself, now let's see, let's make this as organized as possible with a list. So factors of 12 are, let's go with 12, and then we've got 6, we've got 4, 3, 2, and 1, and factors of 2 are 2 and 1. So I'm going to have to write this 12 again, this 6 again, this 4 again, this 3 again, this 2 again, and this 1 again. Okay, so then factors of the 2 are 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That's what I mean by all the factors. And 2 and 1. So 12 halves is actually a 6, and you could have a positive or a negative 6. 12 firsts is actually 12, so you could have a positive or negative 12. 6 halves is actually 3, so that's a positive or a negative 3. 6 over 1 is 6, when I already have that one listed here. 4 over 2 is 2, so it's a positive or negative 2. 4 over 1 is 4, so it's a positive or a negative 4. 3 halves stays 3 halves. 3 over 1 is 3, I already have it. 2 over 2 is 1, so it's a positive or negative 1. 2 over 1 is 2, I already have it. 1 half, so I've got a positive or negative 1 half. And the last one is 1 over 1, which I already have. So this would be the list of all possible roots to this polynomial here. And so when we were doing the checking we did from section 7.5, these are the numbers you would check when you do synthetic division. And if you want a neater list of them, here they are for you. So listing them out for an actual one, again, this is my P here. This is my Q over here. So P over Q is going to be the factors of 4 over the factors of 3. So that's going to be the factors of 4 are 4 over 3, 4 over 1, 2 over 3, 2 over 1, and 1 over 3, and 1 over 1. And then you just make them positive and negative. And these are, all, again, all the numbers that you would have to guess and check using synthetic division or synthetic substitution to figure out which ones are your roots. One more example on that. So this is a 1 here, this is a 15, so I'm doing all of the factors of 15 over 1, so I don't really have to do anything with the 1. So it's going to be positive or negative 15, positive or negative 5, positive or negative 3, and positive or negative 1. And those would be all the numbers you would have to guess and check till you found your 4 possible roots. And you'd put that together with Descartes to figure out which ones are positive, which ones are negative, and then which ones are going to be imaginary roots. You have to learn.